Hello everybody, I'll be going over the Voyager aeronautics mini drone, which comes with a remote, a mini drone, a manual, and spare parts that also has a screwdriver in the bag, as you can see. This drone has many special features and is for ages 14 and up that make it perfect for flying indoors. There are many buttons on the remote, one of them being the on and off button, of course. There is also the landing and taking off button, the right and left movement sensitivity buttons, and the forward and backward movement sensitivity buttons. And what happens is when they're pressed on, the drone's movement sensitivity will increase when moving in any one of those particular directions. Pressing on those buttons will keep increasing the drone's movement sensitivity for those directions up to a certain point, and then it'll reset. The left joystick is for the drone to move up, down, or rotate left and right. And the right joystick is for the drone to move left, right, forward, backward, or in any direction in between those. There are also two buttons on the top, which are for speed and stunt. This is how the underside of the drone looks like, with the battery already inserted in, as you can see. The wire that is attached to the drone should be plugged in here. Once done, it'll look like this, and the drone will start blinking red and blue lights. The red light should be facing the remote at all times so that the drone will move in its corresponding direction. This is how the charging cable looks like. This should be plugged into the main outlet, and this should be plugged into the same area the battery is plugged into when flying the drone. Charging the drone will take about 35 to 40 minutes, and the drone will fly for approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Hello everyone, now I'll be flying the drone. So first, I have to on this remote. The drone is already on, which has to be done first actually. Okay, and now as you can see on the other screen, the drone is slowly blinking. Now I have to move both these joysticks up like this. Okay, now the remote and the drone are synced, which means I could fly. So first I have to press this button, which is one way to take off. You could also move it down like that, but I'm just going to press this button since it's easier. So as you can see on the other screen, the drone is moving. Right now it's in speed 1. And as you can see, the drone always stays in altitude. It doesn't go up, it doesn't go down, it just stays where it is, unless you move it. So now I'm going to raise the altitude. And now I'm going to move the left joystick left. So notice how it starts to rotate. Now I'm going to move the left joystick right. So now I'm going to go to speed 2. So now it's going to go a little faster, as you can see. And now I'm going to go to the fastest mode, speed 3. It's going to be really fast. And you can also hear the 3 beeps, which indicates that it's at level 3, speed level 3. Now I'm going to take it back to speed 1, and you can hear 1 beep, which means it's at speed 1 again. So now it's a lot slower. And now I'm going to press the stump button so that the drone starts to flip. But it has to be in speed 3 in order for this to happen. So I'm going to go to speed 2 first, and then I'm going to go to speed 3. Now I'm going to press the stump button. I'm going to do it one more time.
So as you can see, that was a pretty incredible flip. Now I'm going to land the drone. Okay, that wasn't the best landing, but it works. So there you go, guys. That's how you fly the drone. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.